If you click on this video, chances are you are preparing for the topic level 3. Well, you came to right spot. My name is Murtaza and I am a GKS student at Postech and I am pursuing PhD in environmental science. And in this video, I will teach you how to pass the topic 3 in 4 months. Whether you have an exam in 4 months or in 6 months, this video is for you. Listen, I have probably taken more than 3 topic exams, and what I can tell you is that acting all exams doesn't have to be so complicated. All you need is the right mindset and right strategy. So the first thing is rewire your mindset, and there are 3 key things you must do. The first thing is stop panicking. Relax. You need to almost trick yourself into thinking that topic 3 is durable as long as you put in the work. Number 2 is gamify your study. You need to make your study fun, not boring. So the way I like to do this is by creating flashcards for myself. And the number 3 is implement of Parkinson's law. This law is about setting goals and deadlines for yourself. So let me give you an example. If you want to study Korean vocabulary, don't just give yourself an entire Saturday to study for vocabulary. That's highly unspecific and really boring and broad of a timeline. Give yourself only 2 hours maximum on that Saturday to study vocabulary, because if you give yourself an entire day to study just vocabulary, you are just going to end up wasting of time. So what you wanna do is implementing Parkinson's law, where you are scheduling in much more shorter study sessions, and that way you are gonna much more productive and much more focused. And the second way is to organize what you need to learn first. This is very important when it comes to acing your exams, because in order to ace your exams, you need to know what is being tested on your exam in the first place. So the question is, how do you organize your study notes? It's actually very simple. Let's say you have a topic exam coming up. You know that chapter 1 to 6 will be tested on the exam. So create a Google Doc and type all key terms of each chapter. And then literally you just dump all that information, your class notes, pictures, etc., and then organize it later. Try to make it look aesthetic. That's everything you need to know for the exams. Create exam for yourself. Create your own questions. Leverage AI like ChatGPT. So simply paste all your class note, all your study guide from Google Doc to ChatGPT, and ask it to create flashcards and ask it to create questions, and then simply copy paste those questions into a new Google Doc and maybe even print it. Third way to test yourself by taking practice past exam papers. This method is probably the one I use it the most in the past too, and it is probably the most effective as well, because you have a sense what is gonna coming up in your exam. The last but not the least, read your study notes before you sleep. It's really effective to read your study notes 5 to 10 minutes before you sleep, because it just enhances your memory and helps you remember those things when you wake up. Let's come on the resources. There are a lot of Korean language books. However, reading all books doesn't help to achieve topic level 3 or 4. Some of these books are specific to speaking, and some of them are slang expressions. So you need to determine which one is best for you, which one is designed for topic level 3 or 4, and also be the most effective way of studying for the exam. So out of all the books available in the market, I recommend you few of them. These are the books you should read and consult.
I hope you guys got a lot of value from it. If you did, make sure to subscribe my channel and hit the like button. God bless you. See you in the next video.